Hi and welcome to Next Trains. So let me grab one more box from this parcel. Big one, small one, big one, small one. So anyone. So I'll pick this one today. And if you haven't subscribed Next Trains, please do subscribe and hit that notification icon. So when I open the third box, you do come to know what is there inside. So let's quickly unbox this one. So in this there are 5 tankers. I'll unwrap it further. Here it is, all 5 of them. Excellent rake of 5 Lima tankers. I'll be making a separate running video on some other day. So now I'll be unboxing the third box in the next video. Do consider subscribing Next Trains and sharing with those who like trains. Thank you very much.